Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I wanted to film was kind of like a sit down video talking to you guys about like why I started YouTube. And I'm not just doing this randomly because I just recently hit 100 subscribers and I'm so happy. I have right now I think like about 130 subscribers, and I was like, wow, like I never would have thought I hit that so soon, you know. So I really wanted to sit down and talk to you guys about why I started YouTube and get into all of that. So let's just get into it and then you'll hear everything about it. Alright, so first I just want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to me and who watches my videos. I really appreciate everything, and I love like filming for you guys and uploading stuff, and I don't know, it made me really happy to be able to hit that super, like I felt like it was so soon. I feel like when you first start a channel it is hard to grow and it is hard to like get noticed or recognized and all of that sort of stuff. But with that being said, I was like super surprised, and I'm so happy and appreciative of all of you who watch my videos, and I hope you continue to watch my videos and watch me grow as I hopefully grow bigger and bigger. And I do want to say that one of the reasons why I started YouTube is because I've always felt like I am good with giving advice, or I don't know, I feel like those type of stuff comes natural to me. And like when I think about what I wanted to do, like what I want to do is help people or help like kids, like psychology stuff that link to that, and like helping people. So it all tied down to that, and then I would watch people's YouTube and see them like inspire people and all of that, and it kind of like motivated me, I guess, in a way to wanna do the same for people and like put what I'm interested in into YouTube, which is like, I guess, helping people, inspiring people, all of that into YouTube. And I feel like it all kind of ties together, which is really cool because that's what I'm studying now in school, is psychology, and mainly my focus is like on child psychology, but that's like a whole other thing. But yeah, that's really the main reason I started YouTube, is because I would watch people and like I was like, you know, like I could do the same and I can help people and just share like things that I do when I travel, just like lifestyle videos, and who knows, maybe inspire people, help people, whatever the case is. And I really have fun filming because it comes naturally to me. I feel like so many people pretend to be somebody they're not, or so many people are like, if you're sitting and watching this and you always thought about like, oh, you want to do YouTube, but you just didn't, just because you didn't want people to think something about you. Just do it, and that's really it, honestly. Just do it, don't think about what people say about you, just like go after it. Because me, like at first when I wanted to start it, I was like iffy about it, just because I was like, oh, what would I film? But I just go for it, like even if it's on your phone at first. Like I started on my phone, I used iMovie on my phone, all of that stuff. And then you have to invest if you want to get better and better. It's all like about investing into it. So like I was able to get a camera and all of that. My boyfriend helped me get a camera and stuff like that. So just do what you can for now, and honestly just go after what you want to do and do whatever makes you happy, because this makes me happy right now. It's like a little side thing that I do, and just being consistent to help you grow. I know I have said in my other videos, I'm gonna try to be posting at least like for sure 2 days, and then if I can on Saturday or Sunday, one of those 2 days, so that I'm posting 3 times a week, so that I can just be consistent. And I don't know, I like filming vlogs and stuff, so it's fun to me, so I really want to do that. But yeah, that's literally why I started YouTube, and how happy I am to have hit 130 subscribers. And I hope I continue to grow. And I also have I set some goals for myself for like upcoming, like right now, like I just said, I have 130, and my goal is, I mean, it may sound huge to some people, but or little, very little, but by like New Year's, by January, I hope to hit 1,000 subscribers. That would mean like, that would be crazy to me, just because it's so much. Like that to me is so much. I don't know. I mean, for some people that may seem like nothing to them, but 1,000 is something to me, and it would really, like, I'll be so happy if I can achieve my goal by January. And I feel like that's another important thing with like YouTube and stuff, especially if you're just starting out, is like, don't do it, don't start and think you're gonna get like so big in days, like in 1 week. You have to do it for the right reasons. If you enjoy doing it, like, you shouldn't care about how fast you grow and stuff. But my goal is to hit 1,000 by January, and I hope I can achieve it. I'm gonna work hard, and I love doing it, so I feel like anything can happen, you know, everything happens for a reason, and I believe that I can definitely achieve it. So hopefully you guys stick around for all of that and just like watch me grow and watch all my videos, and don't forget to like my videos, subscribe, hit the bell button if you want to like stay notified when I post, because I'm trying to like be more consistent, especially during this time, like back to school time, fall, Thanksgiving, all that Halloween stuff, Christmas coming up, time flies, everything like that. So I'm really excited for these next couple of months to see if I can achieve my goal and to post so much cool stuff for you guys. And like, I feel like I've been trying to put so much like stuff out there because I'm like so excited. I'm always thinking like, oh, what am I gonna film next? When am I gonna do this? So I don't know, I just wanted to like sit down and be real with you guys and tell you like my thoughts about YouTube, and like share why I started YouTube in the first place, and just some goals I have for the future coming up and all of that. So thank you guys so much for watching this little sit down video, and I just want to say thank you again for all of you guys who have subscribed to me. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and leave me a comment in the comments about what you want to see from me. If you have any like recommendations or anything like that, I'll be sure to like take a look. And I also think it's so important to interact with subscribers, and I always try to answer like literally all of my comments, because that's like something that's really important to me. So I've been trying to do that. I don't know if anybody has noticed, but I just try to always respond back, and I really appreciate any comments that I get. So thank you to everyone who has been watching me for a little while now. And yeah, that concludes this little video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.